Karating na tayo Chicago. Mamadali tayo sa next flight. Connecting flight. Clutch na clutch to guys. Siyempre, mandatory mirror selfie. Hello guys! Hello mga ka-GC! Woohoo! Ang sarap matulog. Wow, kasi VIP tayo sa Philippine Vlogs. VIP tayo sa NFT NYC.
Buddy, he made it to New York. I made it.
What's up mga ka-DC? Nandito tayo ngayon sa airport sa LAX. Palipad tayo ngayon ng New York City pero magsa-stop over muna tayo sa Chicago. Grabe, sobrang exciting na adventure to. Sobrang excited ako sa New York mga ka-DC pero wala pa akong tulog. Kasi nag-edit ako ng mga video at nag-pack pa ako. At madaling araw yung magpunta ko sa airport. 7:45 AM yung flight. And mga ka-DC, bago tayo mag-start sa vlog na to, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell button para updated ka kung meron akong bagong videos like this. And of course mga ka-DC, click also the join button para supportan mo ako sa mga video ko. Alright mga ka-DC, tara na. Let's go. Nakarating na tayo Chicago. Mamadali tayo sa next flight. Connecting flight. Clutch na clutch to guys. Finally, nasa New York na tayo guys. Grabe, muntik na ako maiwan ng plane kanina yung connecting flight. Pero nandito na tayo. Siyempre, paggabi na dito around pa 6 PM na. Kahit maliwanag pa. Kunin ko na lang yung baggage ko. Magpapahinga muna ako for today and see you again tomorrow. Alright? What's up mga ka-DC? So, nandito na tayo sa Queens. Dito ako nagstay kasama tita ko. Ayan na, Tita Melly. Hello. Ayan, siya yung nag-aalaga sa akin ever since dito sa New York City. Laging tour guide ko. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Times Square kasi check natin yung hotel ko. Apparently kahapon, na doon pala na-book yung booking ko doon. Hindi ko na-check kasi sobrang pagod. Kita nyo naman, parang nagmadali ako sa flight ko. Ngayon, check na natin doon kung makakapag-book na tayo. Ay, makakapag-check-in na tayo. Anyway, tara, let's go. Sakay na tayo sa subway. Ayan mga ka-GC, bago pumunta sa room, ito yung 4th floor. Ito yung parang lounge area nila dito sa Yotel. Ang ganda ng view dito. You can see New York City from here. Ang ganda. Ang saya magstay dito. Sobrang nakaka-excite. Wow lang talaga. Ito na yung room natin, key card. Let's go, pasok tayo. Room tour tayo. Wow! Eto, pang single yung room, oh. Tara, pasok tayo. Tour tayo dito. Room tour. Ayan, makita mo dito. Ito, may TV ako dito. Ito yung bed. Ito yung sarili kong, sink. Ayan. Tapos, gusto ko makita nyo dito, bago yung view ito, ito yung CR ko. Ayan, dito ako magsha-shower everyday. Diba? Tapos, ito yung view ko. Look at that view. Grabe, oh. Ang sarap dito gumising araw-araw tsaka matulog sa gabi. Wow! Siyempre, mandatory mirror selfie. Hello guys! Hello mga ka-GC! Tapos siyempre, kung nanonood kayo ng mga vlogs ko, paborito ko tagawin every time I go into a hotel. Woohoo! Ang sarap matulog. Woo! This is the life, grabe. Kaya rest muna tayo mga ka-GC before tonight's event. Sleep muna tayo, alright? Siesta time. At ito na, pupunta muna tayo sa Javits Center para pumunta sa NFT NYC kasi magre-register ako ng maaga dito. Ito yung entrance ng NFT NYC. Ang ganda dito sa Javits Center. Napaka-modern ng building. Akit muna tayo dito. Ito na, Immutable. Yan ang isa sa mga sponsor nila. At ito na yung badge ko, VIP Access. Wow! Ito, feel na feel ko agad yung pagka-VIP ko dito. At ito ko, rumarampa ako sa entrance ng NFT NYC para ma-feel yung pagka-VIP ko. Kasi minsan lang talaga mangyari sa akin to. Ayan, feel na feel ko talaga. After mag-register sa event, lunch muna tayo dito sa Dallas Barbecue kasi hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Ang ganda ng view dito. Kain muna tayo dito sa Dallas Barbecue. Tatry natin yung Texas Crispy Wings tsaka yung Barbecue Baby Back Ribs. Kasama ko ulit si Tita Melly. Yan. And tatry natin. Food review tayo ulit. Dito lang yan sa may Times Square. Ito na. Tatry na natin tong Baby Back Ribs. Barbecue Baby Back Ribs. Wow! Sarap. Grabe. specialty talaga nila yun dito. And ito, try na natin tong Texas Crispy Wings tawag dito. Ayun na, sauce. Yan, cheers. So good. 9 out of 10, grabe. Ayun mga ka-DC, tapos tayo mag-rest, tapos rin tayo mag-prepare. Nakuha rin natin yung VIP ticket natin sa NFT NYC. Ito na yung badge ko. Makikita nyo lang sa TikTok. Papunta na tayo sa Javits Center, doon yung venue ng NFT NYC. Sobrang excited na ako kasi marami akong matututunan doon. It will increase my self-worth kasi syempre, it's a prestigious event para sa field ko. And grabe, we're finally here sa NYC. Feel ko na. Grabe, mamaya sobrang exciting, maraming mangyayari. Kaya, punta na tayo. Finally mga ka-DC, nandito tayo sa NFT NYC. Kaya sobrang excited na ako. Tara, let's go! Pagkapasok mo pa lang, makikita mo yung venue, NFT NYC. Look at that. So, we're here. Gonna spend so much time learning and connecting with people. Bakit tayo dito sa may Javits Center? I think it is level 3. Grabe, wow, nakikita ako dito. Yung sign ng NFT NYC. Tapos yung view dun sa likod. Nasa taas tayo ng Javits Center. I think this is the 3rd floor. And ito makikita mo sa baba. Wow. Look at that view, guys. NFT NYC billboard. And ang sobrang sarap talaga. Pinagmamalaki ko talaga sa buong Pilipinas. I'm representing you guys. Pinagmamalaki ko talaga sa mga Pinoy ngayon na I'm a Filipino right here dito sa NFT NYC. Yan. VIP pa tayo. And thank you so much, Tekon, for making this trip possible. Without Tekon, may hirapan ako makarating dito. Grabe. Thank you so much. Dito tayo sa VIP dinner. Makita mo sobrang daming tao. And look at that. We're finally NFT NYC VIP dinner. Nasa VIP. Kumuha muna tayo ng wine. Pampalakas sa loob para kumuusap ng mga tao. Dun sa may bar. Kasi syempre nahiya pa ako kasi this is different. We're in the West. Wala tayo sa Asia. So it's a different environment, different people. Galingan natin. Wish me luck. Shot muna tayo. Cheers. Look at the view. Wow talaga. Cheers. Enjoy muna tayo, papalakas ang loob.
Hi,
I'm with Ian.
Hello, everybody. He made it to New York. I made it. Welcome.
Wow, thank you so much. Oh my God. Woo! Thank you. Ayan, pampalakas ang loob. In Tagalog, you're gonna give me strength to...
That's right.
Yeah.
Strengthen you.
Yeah! Grabe dahil kay Ian, kinunik ako sa maraming tao, dami ko na nakausap agad. Thank you Ian, UTLA. Grabe for connecting me with a lot of people, tapos madami na yung tao sa likod. So, tara, connect pa tayo even more. And yan, naubos ko na yung wine ko. Kain pa tayo. Hindi, kain na tayo kasi di pa ako makain. Tara. There you go. Dito sa event, makikita mo yung featured artist. Ayan, mga artist na mga NFTs. Ito yung mga digital art na, syempre, mga talented artist ang gumagawa dito sa New York and also worldwide. Ang gaganda ng mga artwork, no? Hi guys!
Oh yes, he's gonna come here.
Yeah, I'm gonna come here for creators! Gabi na, so sobrang nakapagpalakas ng loob talaga to. Nakapito na ata ako, pero alam mo yun, at least nakapag-connect tayo with the right people. Nakakuha na rin ako ng mga side events dito sa NFT NYC. Sobrang excited na ako. Gabi na. Ang ganda ng view dito. Look at that, the city view. And I'm so thankful. Thank you, Lord. Grabe. Cheers. Tapos na yung VIP event, so papunta na kami sa Times Square. Grabe, dami ko na inom. Pero okay lang. Tara na. Tara tayo sa Times Square. We're finally here sa Times Square dito sa NFT NYC. Grabe, as in mga GC. Isipin yan. Nandito na tayo sa Super Bowl of NFT events. And I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful sa lahat ng mga nagaganap ngayon dito kasi finally year, pinangarap ko to. And thank you so much, Tekon. Kayo ang reason kung bakit nandito ako. And thank you so much, Ian UTLA, for inviting me here. We're right here in Times Square. I'm interviewing these guys from Austria and Germany.
That's Germany,
right?
that's me.
Germany, I see you. So tell me about what you do in this Web3 space.
We enable film enthusiasts to own a part of a famous film. We did Run Lola Run, and we did Laurel and Hardy. That's the two films that you can own a part of as a digital collectibles. The project is called Movie Shots. You can find it on movieshots.io. We make movies immortal.
Nice, that was a good pitch, man. I have to follow up. What do you do? So we're bringing Web2 brands into Web3 using NFTs, named like an NFT community, a marketplace, and a token drop. So building an infrastructure to bring Web2 brands into Web3.
That's basically simplifying everything. Actually, I'm an advocate of simplifying everything, bringing movies into Web3 and NFTs, and then bringing real brands in the Web2 space into NFTs, and that's really great. Happy to be here with you guys here at NFT NYC. So,
Thank you.
yeah, let's just celebrate this day. Awesome day. Woo! Grabe oh. Tingnan mo. Ang daming feature dito. Nandito tayo sa Times Square. Kita niyo sa likod, Times Square. And marami pa magaganap dito, marami pa kayo feature dito. Kind of like, ang daming mga billboards dito. Electronic billboards na na-feature dito. Ang daming mga tao na sumasabaybay sa ganap dito. Ayun oh, kita mo. What the? Iba talaga feeling. Speechless. And see you again tomorrow sa main event na kasi yun yung convention. Alright? God bless guys. Kita-kits tomorrow. Dito na ng ating NFT NYC. Grabe yung kagabi as in ang ganda ng opening. Times Square, VIP event. Pero ito na yung pinaka-start ng first day ng NFT NYC. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin. Finally, ito na yung NFT NYC. Makikita niyo sa likod ko. Hindi ko alam yung magaganap niyan. Surprise na lang. Kahit sa akin. Pasok tayo. So yun ang mga ka-DC na dito tayo sa NFT NYC. Sobrang lawak ng area. Maaga pa tayo dito kaya wala pa masyadong tao. Although nagpapile up na rin naman. It's around 10 a.m. here. And grabe. Sobrang nahihiya pa ako kasi may pagka ako'y ambivert. Extrovert ako pagka-close ko, pagkakilala ko, or madaling kausap. Pero pag hindi ko pa kilala, lumalabas pag-introvert ko. Wish me luck dito. Kasi ang goal ko dito is to bridge west to the Philippines and Southeast Asia in general. Let's go! Dito tayo si Immutable booth. And nakuha tayo ng merch. Grabe, sobrang interactive dito. Arcade. Printing sila dito. Gagawin mo lang yung task. Makakuha ka na ganito. Stick. Lunchtime na dito sa NFT NYC. Nakikita ako doon may performance sa likod. Tsaka healthy yung food balita ako. So, ano to? Diet na tayo. Meron tayong Vietnamese coleslaw style salad. Ayan oh. Look at that Vietnamese coleslaw salad. Ortiz tuna sandwich. So, this is the tuna sandwich. Next, meron tayong the chicken sandwich. Ito yung itsura. Nice.
And I always will. I know things got rough and I'm the one who messed it up, but I love you. And I always will.
Nakinig ako ng music. Tapos ito, naubos ko na yung pagkain ko. I-relate ko to. Healthy kasi siya eh. So, 7 out of 10 lang tayo. Pero, saya. Okay lang yan. Healthy muna tayo sa ngayon. Hindi tayo makakatry ng guilty pleasure foods. Pero, grabe ang galing ng mga artists kanina. Nilalaunch na yung mga NFT music nila. This is a must for artists kasi ako artist ako myself. Alam mo yun, that needs opportunities to be out there. And I think Web3 is one thing that can get us out there. So, yeah. Eh, nakapag-connect na tayo sa maraming tao dito. Iniikot ko yung mga booths. Makikita mo sa TikTok channel ko, may mga furniture ako doon. But at the same time, dito sa YouTube channel ko, na pinapanood nyo ngayon, siguro bukas, sa day 2 ko to iikutin lahat. Para syempre, mas ma-focus ko sa inyo yung feature ko sa bawat booth dito. Yung makikita natin. Para mas maintindihan nyo, para mas ma-explain ko sa inyo na maayos. Alright? Hi guys, I'm with Yonda. Fellow content creator, we like simplifying stuff.
Yes.
We are both on the same page.
Yes, we
You
are.
like to water down stuff? Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're gonna do so much things together in the future.
Huge
And I'd love
things.
to meet you.
I love to meet you. You know, understanding your vibe
Yeah.
is so contagious. I love what you're doing for the world. Like you're going in here, you're simplifying it, and you're making it so that it's easier to onboard people in the Web3. That's
Yeah.
what we have to do.
Yeah.
And we have to take an unorthodox approach to
True.
onboarding people
True.
into Web3. Because if you tell them it's something new, they're like, oh, and the change is happening.
Yeah.
But if you water it down, hold them by the hand, kind of guide them through knowledge gaps, the words, and simplify it, right?
Yeah, the key word really is simplify.
That is.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I
So
love that.
We're gonna do so much things together digitally soon.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The world is for us to come and help emerge into Web3. Like, really, there's so much opportunity. You have to think through blockchain. You have to think through how it is that you understand this information. You have to learn from us, right? We're going to teach you, we're going to guide you, listen, and apply.
I got it. See you soon.
See you soon.
Yeah. Basically, tapos na yung day 1 ng NFT NYC event. Ngayon, maghanap na tayo ng side event. Gusto tayo attend kasi there are 100 side events na attendan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung attendan ko. Nagtatanong-tanong ako. Probably would rest a little bit before alamin kung saan tayo pupunta. Marami na nangyari dito sa NFT NYC. Grabe, sobrang daming side events, side parties. Siyempre, hindi na natin na-vlog. Pero nandito tayo ngayon sa purpose. It's an activity para sa mga Web3 communities para, alam mo yun, to gel together, to talk about the future and how to work together as a team para mas ma-improve yung space. So, kaya space ang tawag dito sa activity na to. Kaya pasok tayo. Let's go.
It always reminded me of like arm wrestling competition. Because Beefle's here around the table and he's designing, and Kevin's there and he's like hosting and he's jamming with everybody. And the way that you got in was you have to own a Moonbird or Proof or a Proof collective card. And then you had to sign yourself up for a draw. And I don't know, 5% got the ticket. So you have all these people that have invested just a crazy amount of money, especially if they got their Moonbirds Proof cards early on, or let's say they got them like at a reasonable price, like maybe at mint. Well, they could have sold them with a crazy profit margin. And those that chose to hold them, like, you know, they're looking for a reason, right? Like, to show me a reason why it was worth it. So what they basically did is they had people make this piece of art live, and then about 3-5% of the Proof Moonbird group could come. So everybody that was there was like, "Wow, I made it! I got in." So it was electric, you know. And then when it was done, then they picked 10 people from the room and gave 10 of them his art from last night, and then 90 of them they kept to give to the Proof Moonbird people that had been in the community the longest. And so that was a pretty fun thing. It was nice to like just be around that kind of energy, and it was so well executed.
So it is open source, which makes it kind of challenging. So walking in, what you see is you see these two controllers. Tell me if I'm not stationary enough, Ian, please. I really appreciate your feedback on that. So this is kind of my cursor, my pointer. It's what I can draw with as well. Okay.
Eto na mga ka-GC, so finally magtutour na tayo dito sa NFT NYC. Galing na ako dito sa Immutable booth. Ito yung maraming ina-handle na games. It's a platform na makakabili ka ng mga NFTs and such, and nakuha ko ng special jacket. Stick-tong jacket ito, marami. Ang saya kasi, alam mo yan, you're going around learning about stuff and you're getting also merch. Marami pa silang handle na games. Makikita mo, research nyo na lang sa Immutable. And meron din silang arcade game dito. Natry na rin natin to, ayan. Pero next time na lang siguro. Pero marami kong makita dito. A lot of booths. Pipicture natin yung mga trip kong booths dito. So nandito ngayon sa event din. Nauuso na ngayon yung mga phygital. So real life cards plus a game. And I'm a player of card games. I used to play a lot of Pokemon cards before. Ito, heavily inspired by Magic, right? Magic the Gathering. Kung naglalaro kayo ng Magic the Gathering. And ito, grabe as in, what? Real life cards and digital. So, digital, guys. Wow. Lunch muna tayo dito sa may Los Tacos. And grabe, sobrang daming tao. Pumipila kami para lang i-try. Oh, finally, nakapasok na tayo and titignan lang natin kung na-orderin natin. Ako ba na nakaka-curious kasi mukhang masarap. Grabe mga ka-GC, nakakatakam. Tingnan mo naman yan. Ito yung sinasabi nilang must try. Ngayon nandito na ako, finally pinila natin. I'm here with Janelle, kasama natin sa PBW, Philippine Blockchain Week. Natry natin tong salsa. Nachos with salsa. Ayan.
sobrang anghang. Grabe.
Wow! Ang sarap nito! I like this. Ito, 10 out of 10 ako dito. And then, guacamole naman. With the guac.
Wala kang makuha.
Yeah, wala kang makuha. Tama na, ayan oh. Guacamole.
Sarap pa nito. Hits the spot.
10 din sa akin. Steak taco to with guacamole. We're gonna try it from Los Tacos. Muna. Wow! 10 out of 10. Sobrang sarap. Ngayon lang ako nakatilis ng taho na ganito. I mean, may natry ako sa LA pero iba to. Chicken quesadilla with guacamole. Try na natin. Grabe, sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap. 10 out of 10, grabe. Wala na akong masabi. Everything's good. Los Tacos dito sa may Times Square banda. Panalo.
After kumain, tuloy na natin ang ating tour dito sa mga booths sa NFT NYC. Ito makikita mo, meron ditong digital, physical toys, fashion, tsaka art. Grabe. Tingnan natin. So, ganyan yung magiging itsura ng digital counterpart ng art nila. What the... Look at that graphics, guys. Nakakamangha, oh. Yan yung Roundiverse. Astig, no?
Nandito tayo. Check natin tong Valeria Games. It's a card game and a digital game. It's another physical, tas digital na game. Isipin mo, real life cards. Alam mo nang fan ako ng cards. Ang gaganda nito, parang similar to Pokemon. Kanina kasi Magic cards, ito naman Pokemon cards. Oh, look at that!
Real life cards. Grabe, parang na-excite ako dito, and also booster packs. And ito yung graphics. Wow, ang ganda ng graphics ng game, oh. Ang ganda ng graphics ng trailer. This is a trailer, by the way. Parang, what the... Amazing.
I'm in Valeria Games. He's the guy of Valeria Games, Sharif Muhammad. And wow!
Yeah.
Legendary.
So you got all 10 legendaries here. These are metal collectibles. Only you can get them here at NFT NYC. These are all for you, my man.
Damn!
Yeah, they're all for you, man.
This is crazy.
This man gets all 10.
I'm gonna try out the game.
Yeah.
Watch out for it soon.
Yeah, exclusive content
Yeah.
from him.
Got it.
Philippines.
Let's go.
Right? The HP stat, the attack stat. And this is where you come in to kind of decide what kind of team you want to put together, you know? And check it out, and then the champions, weapons, and items. And then this is the in-game store where you can buy booster packs. But this is a virtual booster pack. You can go to our merch store on our website and use tokens to actually buy a physical version with the QR code. So that way you get the physical cards and you can scan the QR code to get the NFTs that you can then come and use in the game. And don't forget, these are our project partners. These are all other NFT projects. Kaiju Kings, Llamaverse.
Oh, wow.
Jiro, yeah. So these are all official project partners. Digidaigaku, Neo Tokyo, Creeps. These are some of the biggest NFT projects. We have official rights to use their IP to go ahead and create them as assets in our game.
Amazing.
So it's like Smash Bros in terms of meeting all the characters together.
Yeah.
Pokemon in terms of you can level up and evolve. And then you got Clash Royale kind of gameplay with the NFT and the cards. And overall, we're super excited to launch this game. It's going to be coming out later this year. So if you guys aren't following Valeria Games, go on our Twitter, Valeria Studios on Twitter, or ValeriaGames.com.
That's Valeria Games, everybody.
This man has some exclusives coming to his channel.
Check that. Grabe yung binigay sa akin. Hindi lang legendary collection cards, kundi maka-merch. Daming jacket. Natuwa kasi pinicture ko sila sa TikTok. Grabe, thank you so much, Valeria Games. As in, I appreciate you. I'm looking forward to show your game in public. Astig din to.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
Ano yung game na yan? Brainslam Genesis. Gumagamit daw sila ng AI tech, tsaka may sariling NFT yan. Dami pa dito, meron ditong Mutant Cats, we have GateFi, ito namang Mofu. Ito yung anime NFTs, yung may rights sila sa mga anime. Tignan mo yung likod ko, grabe. Astig yan. Tignan mo, Japanese music NFT musical animation. Mga Japanese sila. Stig to, promise. So much more to see here, pero yun yung mga favorite booths ko dito. Kasi yun yung mga, for me, yung mga unique kasi yun yung mga interest ko.
and probably mga interest nyo rin. Iba kasi dito medyo complicated na para maintindihan nyo ng sobra. So, yun muna discuss natin. Eventually, pag nakapag-research kayo ng mas marami ako may share ng input sa inyo.
Grabe, ang gaganda ng mga digital art dito, guys. So, look at that. Ang napaka-talented na mga artists ngayon. Makikita mo dito sa Community Artist Showcase, merong isang magandang art dito. Ito, ang ganda nito. Look at that art, guys. Napakaganda. It's made by Dave Artisans. Na yun yung Twitter account niya. Ayun mga ka-JC, masasabi ko sobrang proud Pinoy tayo kasi Pinoy ang gumawa nitong art na to, digital art. We should be proud na may Pinoy dito sa NFT NYC na featured yung art niya. Wow talaga. Isipin mo, Pinoy, guys. Anyway, punta muna dito sa NFT NYC private event kasama si Ian Utile of NFT NYC. Nagdi-discuss siya dito ng unity sa mga Web3 communities dito sa industry.
Inspiring a brighter future is not about the technology. Certainly isn't about the community or businesses. To inspire a brighter future with NFT collectibles, which is the current market that did $50 billion in sales, fastest consumer product markets is the smartphone. And digital assets, which is basically the future of all automation, just running the world with smart contracts through these digital assets. You know what it's about? It's about people. Individual people. It is humans, one at a time, that are going to inspire a brighter future. So rather than me try to orate some incredible message that gets you encouraged or makes you think that I'm smart or it gets you to be my prospect and want to be part of my business, instead, I'm just going to talk about those of you that have inspired me. Because we long to be noticed, don't we? Isn't it strange how a discouraging word can cause us to lose hope? But you know, a life-giving thing will put a fire in us that won't go out.
At ito ako, nakikilahok ako sa activity nila. Magsusulat ka ng thoughts mo about how to improve being a leader in the community dito sa NFT NYC. Ayan, marami pa nakikilahok sa activity na to. Ayan yung final thoughts ko. Work ethic, always be an example, and of course, simplify. Then ito ako, nakikiconnect lang sa mga people from the Web3 space. At ito pa, more speeches from Ian Utile. Grabe, marami ka talaga matututunan kay Ian Utile. Sobrang galing niya.
I'm gonna wrap up now. My final word, everybody. Be a storyteller. Do it. Doesn't matter if it's hard. Doesn't matter if it's uncomfortable. Doesn't matter if you're even good at it. Just be a storyteller. Like, I think about your DGen community with Pablos. Just a crazy number of people that are committed to telling the Pablos story. And it works. Being storytellers work. You can tell stories around anything. Be a storyteller. Be like Springna. Be like her team at Nifty 30. Go find amazing people that are doing noble and savage things and tell their stories. Most of the people I mentioned have been radically impacted by you, and I celebrate you, and I honor you, and that is the end of the conference, everybody. We'll be back next spring here for NFT NYC. Come and join us and bring your friends. Let's have a great night.
So yun na mga ka-JC, NFT NYC, pinangarap ko to at nandito na ako. Nagawa natin yung event. I've attended this event. Pinangarap ko to since 2021 nung nag-start ako sa crypto and NFTs, itong NFT NYC. And we're finally here. Sobrang na-inspire ako sa speech ni Ian Utile. Yung telling a story because I always like telling stories. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung story ko dito sa USA, dito sa America. Every story I'm telling, I will be doing more stories. And magkikita-kita pa kami sa Philippine Blockchain Week. Marami pa mangyayari. Grabe! I'm still so overwhelmed. Surreal to experience na to sa NFT NYC. Marami pa mangyayari. Philippine Blockchain Week soon sa September. Abangan na yun. Nandun kami. And more side events pa kasi may mga side events pa kami attendan mamaya. And grabe, this has been a dream. Thank you so much, Tekon. Kayo talagang reason bakit nandito ako ngayon. Kasi
Grabe, sila nag-sponsor ng plane ticket ko, hotels, my trip. Makikita nyo sobrang dami kong nagawa this trip. It's because of Tekon. Thank you so much. And yan na, side event na tayo. Grabe, this is Gio Comia signing out sa NFT NYC. Nandito tayo sa isang rooftop bar. Isa to sa mga side event dito sa NFT NYC. So, ito maraming nagaganap. You can see. Enjoy lang tayo dito. Connect. Network. And look at that view, guys. So, look at that view. Amazing, di ba? Amazing. Enjoy lang. Maghahap pa tayo kasi meron pang NFT yacht party mamaya. Kaya ito lang. Enjoy lang. Rooftop. Kita tayo dito sa barko. VIP tayo, guys. Wow, kasi VIP tayo sa Philippine Vlogs. VIP tayo sa NFT NYC. Ay, sa Philippine Blockchain Week, ano ako, di ba? Di ba?
Nandito kami, so akala niya Philippine Blockchain. Mailo ka.
So ano, pero hindi nga ako VIP sa Philippine Blockchain Week. VVIP ako dun eh. Di ba? So tara na, pasok na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa yate. Ayan o. iBoat NYC. And here's the view. It's gonna be a great party. Buffet champagne. Let's go. Kasama natin from Philippine Blockchain Week. So we're here as VIPs. Yeah? VIP tayo dito because we got invited by NFT NYC for this after yacht party. NFT yacht party. So we're just maximizing our time here. Diba? Para lang enjoy na natin lahat ng attractions dito.
Yeah, and
Let's
we're
go.
gonna party.
Yes. Ganda ng view. Dito sa baba, yan, may mga actual NFTs pa tayo dito sa basement. Ayan. Look at the artwork. If you're a fan of great artwork, dami mga artwork dito featured. Meron pa dito, you know, great artwork. And one more, napaka-talented talaga ng mga artists ng NFT world. As in. Cheers! What a night! Yeah, sure. So yun mga ka-GC, grabe! Ito na yung end ng NFT NYC journey natin. This is the last party. Sobrang grabe. Thank you so much, Tekon. Thank you so much, NFT NYC and UTILE. Thank you so much, Philippine Blockchain Week. Kasi makakasama ko dito. Grabe, sobrang amazing. This is a yacht party and grabe. Magtutour pa ako all around NYC, New York City. Abangan nyo yan sa vlog. Next na vlog natin. Kaya don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell button para updated ka kung meron mga bagong videos like this. And of course, click the join button as well. So yun ang mga ka-GC. Peace tayo. God bless. Kita-kits ulit sa next vlog.